Even in a highly digitalized environment, many companies in the technology sector still face obstacles in integrating processes, mitigating risks, and effectively managing their infrastructure. To overcome these challenges, SoftExpert Suite connects areas such as IT, HR, legal, and finance in an integrated ecosystem that ensures agility, control, and compliance. Map processes across departments with clear visual flows, promoting transparency, standardization, and greater operational efficiency. Automate repetitive tasks with artificial intelligence, accelerating triage and prioritization based on the type of request. Easily access information and find any document in seconds with an intelligent search. With the help of artificial intelligence, get answers in seconds and clarify doubts directly from your document base. Manage demands with Kanban and OKRs, connecting sprints and goals in real time, maintaining focus on results and strategic alignment. Continuously assess and monitor risks with AI-generated action plans for each identified scenario. Manage IT assets in real time with dashboards that track availability, maintenance, and equipment depreciation. Comply with data security requirements from GDPR, ISO 27001, and other applicable standards through compliance dashboards, audit trails, and updated requirement management. Reduce risks and accelerate decision-making with a solution that combines governance, compliance, and performance in a single cloud platform. With SoftExpert Suite, your tech company evolves with security and full control over its processes, results, and assets. Take your business to the next level. Book a demo.